Yeah, the mic is working. The mic is working. Let me ask you guys a question. Have you ever been on social media and you posted something that you believe was going to be a major hit with your audience, with your friends and family? And an hour goes by, 2 hours go by, and you find that there's no likes, no comments, no shares or anything. But you happen to notice that little section over there on your social media that actually shows you that there are people that saw your post, and you can see the names of these people, and you think to yourself, when I see their posts, I usually like, share, and comment. I do it because I like to support my friends, my family, and people that are doing good work. I know we wish it could always be like that and that life can be perfect like that, but it's not. And especially in this industry, when you decide to become an affiliate marketer, things will become really strange. The people that you thought were your friends and family before, the people that you thought supported you in everything that you do, or the people that said that they would support you, they often disappear. Now, I've posted various pieces of content on social media and I've gotten different responses for different things. And it surprises me sometimes. I think to myself that this particular piece of content is going to get more likes, more shares, and more followers than another random piece of content that I just happen to post. But I'm always surprised that what I see as being important, something to like and click and share, others don't see it the same way. Everybody's motivated by different things. And I want to ask you this question. What are you motivated by? Are you motivated by just being a supportive friend or family member? Are you motivated by seeing a quality piece of content and actually saying, I want to support with a like and a share? Or are you one of those people that you don't do anything unless it involves you getting compensated or paid? Well, if you're that type of person, it's okay. I don't mind. I'm not upset at that. Actually, I welcome that. I actually have something for you. Just follow me. All right. So, what we're looking at right now is a website that I didn't think that I would ever see again. It's a website that was popular years and years and years ago, and we used it for certain things. Back when technology wasn't what it is today, back when music artists could actually promote their products, their music, and people would actually still be in the stores and buying stuff. Right on the verge or the tipping point of when things went from physical to digital. This company, or this name, this familiar company and name that you see right up top here, is LimeWire. Now, when I saw LimeWire a few months ago, when I happened to be doing a search online, I had to click on it. And that's because just thinking about the history that I've had with LimeWire, and a lot of you might have had, back in the days where we used to download music and we thought that we were really kind of cheating the system in a way, or going around the system where we didn't have to go purchase our music, our physical copies, and or pay for it online. LimeWire was one of those pioneer type places where you could actually get music. But now it's reinvented itself and it's come back with a vengeance and with a new design and new benefits that you might really enjoy. Now, going back to what I was saying about what type of person are you when it comes to social media and sharing and, supporting your friends and family members? Now, if you're a person that's interested in the money, then this right here might help you with what LimeWire has done, how they've recreated themselves. I'm just going to show you real quick and get right to where the money is, because I know that's what your next question is. We see a nice AI picture. We see a few other pictures here. We see LimeWire. We see a dashboard or back office type setting. And we see a content creator who actually created this picture, possibly with a single prompt. Now, that's cool. We've all seen different posts on social media, and if you've been around for the last year, you've probably seen a lot of AI content, and you're going to see a lot more going forward. You might have skipped over it, you might have liked it, you might have shared, but on this one platform right here, it's going to change how you do that. And it all starts with this one button right here. This button right here says share and earn. What that means is, what LimeWire has done is created a social media platform that actually encourages you to share and to promote not only your own personal content, but the content of anyone else on the platform. And what they'll do is actually compensate you. And they have their own tokens or coins, so to speak, LimeWire tokens. And I have 3.5 LimeWire tokens, or as they call it, LMWR. Now these tokens can be used for different things. And it kind of reminds me of like a cryptocurrency type situation, because this coin or token actually goes up and down in value. So right now it says its value is 40 cents. And if it goes up, that's great. That means the value of my 3.5 tokens will go up. But here's where things get interesting, and why you might really want to consider coming on over to this platform. With this one simple button right here, you can unlock a income potential that is not available in most other places. For instance, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, any of the other major platforms, I don't think they have the benefits that this platform has with this one simple button. And there's other things within this platform that you'll enjoy, but I'm going to click this one button and I'm going to read something that's going to actually change the way you look at social media going forward. And if you're familiar with LimeWire of the past, you might be interested in joining the LimeWire of the future. So let's click the button. All right. What it says here is something very important. Pay close attention. When you share content on LimeWire, you automatically receive 10% of the advertising revenue generated from people that view content via your share link. Ad revenue is automatically credited to your account on a monthly basis in LMWR. So, here's a link. This link right here goes to this particular post. It's not my post. It's another content creator's post, once again. But I don't mind sharing this link. I've already liked the post because it's a pretty good AI generated picture. But I don't mind sharing the post because What it'll allow me to do is automatically receive 10% of the advertising revenue from people that view the content via this link. So what that means once again is if I copy this link here and I take it and share it on, let's say, a social media platform such as Facebook where I don't get paid, and someone clicks this link to see this great artwork, I will be compensated. Now, they can come right back on over to their Facebook platform or whatever social media platform they're on and continue what they're doing, and they wouldn't know the difference. All they would know is that they've witnessed or been able to consume some entertaining or quality content that they would not have been able to see on their current platform. Or they can take the extra step and join the platform and also earn a income along with me. Now, this right here is one of many simple ways that you can actually earn an income online. But if you're interested in learning how to really earn bigger commissions on a daily basis by doing simple things such as commenting on a simple social media post, such as I do on a daily basis, I want to invite you to comment for the link or click the link in my bio so you can join a simple system that's a one-time investment of $7. Now, this $7 gets you a wealth of knowledge, information, and income potential opportunities. One of them being this right here, what we call CD Pro, which is a simple system which allows you to comment under other people's social media posts in order to help them boost their social media, in order to help them get what what we all would like to have more of, and that's engagement on our social media posts. As you can see, I've commented on 104 posts and I've earned $25.50. That equates to 25 cents per post. So how many posts would you actually comment on in a day if you had the chance? Well, I'm gonna tell you this. I'm gonna take my time and comment on these 2 posts, and yeah, it's 50 cents, but think about this. A $7 investment, 50 cents return a day over 30 days, that's $15. You've just doubled your investment. But of course, that's just one way of many ways you can actually get paid in this amazing system. So if you're interested, comment for the link or click the link in bio so you can learn the necessary skills in order to earn an income on a daily basis. Hope you guys enjoyed this short training and short introduction or reintroduction to LimeWire. See you guys on the inside. Hey bro, why you never want to put on a shirt? Don't you know God is watching?
Hey, yo, son, come on, son. He cool with it and everything. Stop being a hater, yo. You just mad because I walk around here, I got my chest sticking out, all the women around, all the women around here want me and everything, son. Stop hating.
Straight shooter, please report to God's office.
Come on, bro. You got the kids calling you down to God's office now? That's the stuff I'm talking about.